Alright. You guys excited? How long's it been? Quite a while since we did an on the bike vlog. We've done some car ones and some bikes frozen to the ground ones. Things like that. Those are my old boots. I got new ones for Christmas that are like real boots. I'll tell you what they are actually. They're Cortec Latigo WPs, which just means they're waterproof, but Latigo, there's two different ways you could say it, I guess. I'm a Latigo kind of guy. I'll tell you quickly about them, I guess. They're like a race style boot because I strive to be as boy racer as possible. I think they were $150 nearabouts, which is actually pretty cheap for that sort of thing. I think these are from Motorcycle Superstore because there isn't any place around here to buy shit like this. I'm gonna go blind, but I have a sunshade. And they fit. The right one is tight because I think my foot's bigger. But other than that, they fit really well. They're entirely waterproof. I've ridden them in all sorts of horrible conditions and it was just fine. So they are waterproof. What else? They're quite comfortable. The shifting with the boots on, I still haven't gotten used to. So that's gonna take some work, but that's pretty much my problem. But anyways, I like them a lot. So that's frozen. Excellent. What's going on in there? Uh-oh. Oh. Yeah, Jeff, because pulling the clutch in is the problem. Let's see if we get on it. I think it might just be frozen. Just so you know, before I came out here, I checked what the temperature was. Somewhere between 12 and 20 degrees. So it's, the throttle's frozen as well. Clutch is cold. That's frozen. Just hit it. I'm gonna go get a hairdryer. Ugh. You see what this is like? I'm trying to do a video here and to go inside and get a hairdryer. Any Ninja, you haven't posted a video in a while. Yeah, I know, because and that's locked. Get my keys now. I don't know why this is so difficult. Well, I do. It's because I live in fucking icebox. Yeah, I didn't think so. Let's see, all of the key. Ooh, shit, I almost fell over. Yeah, they don't have any tread on the bottom of them, these shoes. It's quickly going back to the boots. Ah, shit. Forgot I had the camera on the top. Which you're now looking at the ceiling. Which is excellent. Let me straighten you out. That's probably alright. Or I could do it a couple more times too. Probably have to take the helmet off and do that. Hi, I didn't go anywhere. Fuck it, you know what? I'm gonna... Okay, we're gonna hairdryer the lock now. Which is just a great idea to begin with. That's off. There's that. Keep it on high. You ever had to do this before? You know, when I took my class, they didn't tell me that this would be a problem. They told me that people were trying to kill me in cars, and that rain was suicidal, and you need to look out for twigs, and all sorts of crap like that, but they never told me my lock was gonna freeze. They told me that, I said, fuck it. It's not worth it. Oh! Victory! Excellent. Alright. Now let's quick start it before something else freezes. Hear the ice breaking on the cylinders. Brilliant. Alright. We're in business. Turn the heated grips on. Yeah! Excellent.